student would decide to study this master in public international law in Leiden, because we have a very long tradition in this area, since Hugo Grotius studied here himself in 1594, and he's one of the founding fathers of public international law. We feel very much obliged to this long tradition and have a lot of experts in this field who are able to provide a deep insight into the theory of public international law. At the same time, students are able to learn from the practitioners in The Hague, the City of Peace and Justice, where we have multiple international courts and tribunals and international organizations. So students will be able not only to learn about international law in theory, but also are exposed to what international law is in practice. The master deals with all areas of public international law, including areas like the sources and theory of international law, international human rights law, international economic law, but we also have a specialization in international humanitarian law. The students have possibilities to have contact with practice during the master in three different ways. On the one hand, they are able to participate in a unique internship program with our cooperation partners in The Hague, meaning they can do an internship with one of the international courts or tribunals or one of the international organizations. They can also participate with one of our international moot courts, where they prepare themselves for pleading cases in practice. And finally, we now have an international humanitarian law clinic, which enables them to work for real-life partners like the International Committee of the Red Cross or Amnesty International on concrete situations and help these partners to prepare their work or prepare cases.